It's not true.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. I know. Lot of, yeah, these things happens here.
Yeah,
Anyway, whatever happens is for good. Sometimes these things will make things streamline well, right? Such kind
yeah,
of things when it comes into this world, some things will become better and better process will become, you know, a lot more
yeah.
things happens in the world. So
Reset for everything.
there is a there is a old saying, no, ఏదైనా మన మంచి కోసమే. సో మన మంచి కోసమే కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
Yeah, true.
So Surya, yeah, yeah, fine. You can see my screen, all of you. Can you see?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So in our last class, we completed the uh, SD organizational structure configuration. So we have done the entire the sales organization. We created the sales areas, divisions, distribution channels. We created the plans, storage locations, right? Shipping points, all these configurations we have completed. Now we are going into the material master data. Okay. What we are going to do now? We are going to learn about the material master data. In this, we have the, like, what is material? Material is a item or a goods, or it can be a raw material, or it can be a finished goods or a trading goods. In SAP, when we say material, if it is SD, it is finished product or trading goods. If it is it is raw materials. Okay. So, 1 minute. So in SD, we deal with the finished products, semi-finished products, trading goods, and services. These are the things we deal in SD. And SAP SD Material Master is currently is a shared data used by all logistic modules. Okay, the Material Master, whatever we are learning, it is a shared data. The data is shared by other modules also. So especially it is like a like it is like So we use most of the T codes and everything is related to So now coming to the material master, we need to do our finished products planning. We need to do what products we are going to use it. So our company is General Motors, no? So let's go and see what products we have in General Motors. We do some planning. That is, if you go here, General Motors. Oh, we already done that, na? That activity we already done that. So if you go here, we have seen that General Motors is having trucks, SUVs, electricals, all these things are there, right? So we note down these things as our finished products. So truck is a, then we have SUV.
One question.
Yes,
Yeah. So
MV.
in material management, even the planning material will also comes into the material management, right?
Yes.
But we are not consider those planning materials. Only we are considering manufactured materials or like testing materials.
What do you mean by planning materials?
Like for example, they want to introduce a new material. We are going to consider the material in SD.
No, we will not consider the manufacturing part.
Okay.
We will only consider once the material is produced, ready for sales.
Yeah. Once approval also.
Yes, yes. If the product is launched into the sales, once the product is launched, then only we consider it.
Good.
There might be many products company might produce, but they may not launch it.
Yeah.
All that,
They were into trial and error and they are not ready with
yeah, yeah.
anything.
All these things comes under the manufacturing MRP, material resource planning.
Good.
Okay. So that is a PP module. You will be learning all these things in the PP module, not in SD.
Yeah.
Okay. Here the planning, what I'm trying, the which planning I'm talking is we as a consultant, you should think like a consultant, na? So as a consultant, you should know your customer, right? Like before you go and approach the customer, you should
Mm-hmm.
do some basic background check.
Mm.
Like suppose we all are imagining that General Motors is our company, right? You are a consultant to implement General Motors. So what you will do, say, I think I gave you each one of you one country, right? The project. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so suppose, like for example, Arvind is there. So Arvind, we gave Australia. So what Arvind will do, he will check the General Motors, what are models launched in Australia. I will be taking about what all models launched in USA. That planning we are doing. That
Okay.
preparation we will do. That planning we will go and identify. We will go and do some research before we go and meet the customer. Before we having the meeting, we should have meeting with customer. As a SD consultant, you will be going on a one-on-one meeting with customer to understand their the sales team. You will be meeting the sales team, and the sales team, one of the SME subject matter expert from the sales team will present to us, and they will share the information to us. So you should be doing that basic research and go and ask questions or ask the relevant information from them. If you think that they will give everything, customer will never give everything. They will think that we are a third person, and they will feel that it's a confidential information and they will not share. And in case later we say that you did not give us, they will tell you did not ask us. That is our job to ask. as a consultant. Understood, no?
Yes,
Customer is
yes.
totally ignorant. That's why we need to do this planning. So what the planning is, like you need to go and research like what products they have. So these are the products. So you should do some basic planning about these things. And like how I did like trucks, they do manufacture trucks. They do sell trucks, not manufacture. They do sell trucks. They do sell SUVs. They do sell electrical vehicles. They do sell MUVs. Say, if they are selling, like for example, a commercial vehicle they're selling, maybe they are not manufacturing it. They are giving, they're just doing a trading. Some other company is manufacturing, and these people putting logo and selling it. That can also happen, no? Like if you see Lenovo laptops, Lenovo ThinkPad laptops are manufactured by IBM actually, but Lenovo sells them having their logo. You guys know that, right?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Even
Lenovo is
even
also having. Uh,
even some plants doesn't have permission to sell like manufacture commercial vehicles. So that also they can manage.
right, right, right. So that's what it is. So whatever products they are selling in the market, that things we will identify like this. These are called material groups. This is the group of material group. Under this group, we go identify the trucks. So we'll go to the uh, General Motors website and we will identify the trucks. Try to get some model numbers which they are selling. So they are telling that our brands, it is, they have 4 brands. Now let's go and see trucks. Where is the trucks? Mm, mm, mm. I can see only the okay, let us see. So at GMC Cadillac. Hmm, okay, actually under GMC, this is the main company, right? GMC. They also have Chevrolet. So we did not consider these 4 brands. We just considered only this one. Means while we are doing planning, we did not we ignore we were not aware. So we could able to do only these things. Like I don't know that time we got this website and we worked on this. Actually, now I'm saying that they also have Chevrolet. They have this product. We should have considered this also. Anyway, if you go to Chevrolet, let's see. Do they have
I think
trucks?
they buy Charlotte. That's why.
Okay. Yeah, they also have vehicles. Yeah, they also have
Yeah,
trucks, electrical SUVs. Yeah, no
yeah,
problem.
yeah. Maybe there is
Then,
a merger and something will happen.
okay. So we can go and say Canon. There is a model name Canon. So we can name it as Canon, right? Canon.
Mhm.
And under Chevrolet trucks, if you click on trucks, I think this is Colorado.
Silverado HD.
Colorado is there. And let's go to the, let's take Buick. Let's see Cadillac. Do they have any trucks? See, in reality, you have to list down all in live project. You have to list down all these things. But this information you can ask the customer, and you can create a Excel file and give it to them, and they will fill the data and give to us. So I'll guide you on that how these things works. First, let's do the basic planning. Okay. Say Colorado is there, but let's go and see this one, Bovik. I think they did not have Bovik in India, right? So in Bovik, they don't have the trucks, right? Is it a truck? I think it is SUV. What do you guys say?
Yeah, SUV hatchback.
I think Bovik does not have the what we call truck is
Trucks.
not there in Bovik. Now let's go to Cadillac. They also don't have trucks. Even though these people call it as okay, they call it as trucks because behind there is a multi-utility vehicle. I think this one behind there is a truck-like kind of thing is there, right? But when I see here in Cadillac, they don't have any product like that. So that's why this is they don't call themselves as trucks. So anyway, now trucks we have it in GMC and Chevrolet. So if you want, we can also have Sierra to be included in our list. And we can go and see Cadillac Silverado. We can Colorado and Silverado. We can add. Okay. Now let's move on to SUV. In GMC, what all SUVs we have? Let's go. We have Terrain, right? And any of you guys used any of these vehicles? Cadia?
Nope.
No.
No.
Usually
So the
American people will use GMC and all this kind of things.
okay, and what Indians prefer?
The Indians, they'll prefer like all the like Honda,
Okay,
Nissan.
more reliable products they prefer,
Yeah,
economical and reliable.
they want to like GMC, Dodge, all these kind of things will never get a resale price. If you
Right.
want to resell the vehicle, will get very almost we are going to lose 60 to 70% loss. If you go with Honda, Nissan,
Yeah.
then Toyota, you will get more price. Like even 200K miles also, you will get best price.
Okay. 200 miles means in India, what would be around approximately?
200K miles means almost India 3 lakhs 3 lakhs kilometers.
3 lakhs kilometers. Oh,
You will get some price, but after
okay.
after 1 lakh, I think no US vehicle will support you.
Okay. I got it. this company, GMC, has become extremely big app. So many products they have. How they are surviving with so many products. Now, what is the next thing we are going to do is electrical. Okay, electric, then EV, and let's go to electric. Okay, they have. I'll take this bright prop. I'm taking one product just to show you guys. Okay, randomly. Understood, na? Understood, right?
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
showing you
Yes.
one or two products. I'm taking one or two products
Yes.
from the list. I'm not considering all the products. It will take a long time if you try to go and do it one by one. It is not a live project, right? So MUV. Now let's go to GMC. Denali is MUV, right? Multi-utility vehicle, right? This one. Is it MUV seven-seater, no?
Hope we saw those vehicles, but it's not. It's a kind of rare vehicles.
Okay,
I think the Yukon Denali is the seven-seater. Yeah.
okay. Performance. Oh my God, they have some sports one also.
Yeah, these are premiums.
Okay, so here maybe they are even the SUVs also called as MV is also called as SUVs in Chevrolet. It is a 10-seater or what? So big it is. Mm, I think it is a seven-seater. Commercial vehicles. Let's go to commercial vehicles. No, this is also is that right? Okay. Savannah passenger. If you see Indian market for passenger vehicle, so many. Commercial. Wow. Chevrolet also have a lot of.
Yeah, here major problem is public transportation is very less. That's why nobody only for school pickup, school drops they'll use maybe
Okay.
or food pickup, food drop.
Mm,
But these heavy vehicles they use a lot because even railway transportation is very less here.
yeah. So actually, this Buick does not have any, and this Buick is not also there in India. Actually, I never seen any car the Buick in here. Okay, and let's see. s- I think this Cadillac also does not have any commercial vehicle. So anyway, powertrain. So this is automotive, right?
Mhm.
So GMC Automotive, where is the website? Mm, GMC Automotive product list. Where do we find these are the vehicles, shopping, inventory, current offers, um, accessories and parts. Okay, parts. Mm, I don't find the automotive products in the market. Like I don't find in the product list. Expert GMC. Okay, we found some brake system, filters, headlights. I think this website is not working. No? GMC parts at GMC was not working, right? Uh, this is working. Yeah. AC Delco is part of Chevrolet, right? Sorry, GMC. So they are into automotive products, right? So let's batteries. Let's take we go to batteries, spare plugs, light bulbs. They have so many. Let's click on batteries and see what all batteries they have. Mm, field maintenance free battery. So this is the vehicle body parts. Next, go back. This is spark plugs, wipers, drive belts, filters, power tools. What they have only this. They don't have the, okay, Adelco does not have the Who is manufacturing the drivetrain? We are not sure. Okay. Anyway, instead of yeah, drivetrain is not sold. Only these things are sold. So what we can do is, even though we created, we need to change. Okay. Aftermarket. Let's see. Is there any website? This is not working. Okay. PMC practice. Mhm. There are so many products. Yesterday, when we are planning, we just thought that we'll take only few which is relevant to our fuel pump, oxygen sensor. Where is powertrain here? Powertrain is like, yeah, we can say cylinder control arm. It, yeah, we can under powertrain we can take this these products like exhaust GMC exhaust system, and we can take the this one axle assembly, right? Axle assembly. Let's go here. GMC axle assembly, and we can say exhaust system. And if you see vehicle bodies and frames, means there are parts like we see that belts, you can take belts, and you can say brake lines and disc brake. Yeah, we can. Okay, we just identified some products which is relevant for us, and we are going to create. What I'm going to do is we are going to create these products, whatever we just identified, that products in our SAP to sell in SD. I'm going to show you on how to create them so that whenever we are creating a sales order, we can use all these products. Okay. So as a consultant, you should have list down all these product categories. Like you should have meeting with the, oh, here is a drive train. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, radiators, heating, exhaust. Yeah. Anyway, no problem. So we have like, if you go and see that these are the products you need to do properly planning. We need to do get the material. These are called material groups. So you need to create material groups for everything like this. For example, if you see here, this is our like headlights and lighting is one material group. Auto body parts and mirrors is one material group. Engine and drivetrain is one material group. So you need to create all these kind of material groups Under that, we have so many sub-material groups, or you can see if I go here, click on this, and under this each product, there are individual products, right? So this is the way what we say, we have the, we have to create, like whatever company is dealing into, whatever they sell, for all each product, we need to create it, we get the information and create this information in SAP. But this creation of information, we won't be able to do it by ourselves. What we do is, while creating, we can ask our programmer to create a BAPI, business API, okay, or body, we call it as body also. What it is like whenever we are creating one material for that data, you can uh, map the table, whatever is the master material table is there. No? That table, you can take the fields from the table, ask the programmer to generate an Excel file. Okay. And you can, once the Excel file is generated, you can share that Excel file to the customer and you can ask them to fill the details. So you should guide them how to fill. So once you guide them, they will fill and give it to us. So once we receive it through the BAPI, that business program application, that is a custom program. Using that custom program, we upload that Excel file directly into SAP tables. Understood? So that you no need to go and create one by one all these materials in SAP. Why I am showing you is, once the upload is done and if a new product is launched or new product you want to enter, how to do that? So at that time you will be doing one by one. The end user will be doing one by one. Not you, you will be consultant, right? End user will be doing one by one and your job is to teach them how to use it, right? You should support them. So let's go and we created this. We have planned what all products we are going to work with. After the first thing, step number one is create material groups. The T code is OMSF. Let's go to OMSF, enter, and go here, click on new entries. You can give any 5-digit code. So now what I'm doing is GMC01. I want to give like this so that it becomes easy to identify. So trucks. Okay. And here is the unit. You can say each item. You can go and see. You can select whether it is a ton, whether it is a liter, like that. So if it is trucks means, it usually we use it as each truck. So it's a default. You can create a default here, or while creating the material master also you can create here. This is authorization group, means in SAP we have a security module. Okay, if you want some of the group, only certain employees have to use this trucks details, then we can create a authorization group. In that group you can add the user IDs. So only that people are allowed to use this truck details. Other people, they will not get access. Such kind of control, if you want, you can enter that code, whatever is given by the security consultant. So you can go here and give an example of this description. Like description of trucks is like, you can go and give an example. Like these are the, or you can write a description there. Like what it exactly is, other than just giving example. These are the example that will explain what it is. So now we go to GMC02, right? You go here, we have SUV. This is also each item. And here also example is mention it like that, enter. Then we have GMC03. You can go here. Next is electrical vehicle. And this also each items. So you can give sample. And we have GMC04. That is MUV. They also each items. Example is these are the GMC05 commercials. So how is the second-hand market in Canada? You'll get good vehicles.
Yeah.
How they are
Even
cheap or they are cheap or they are costly?
Depends on the vehicle. If it's the resale value, if it's high, you'll get it for pretty much like probably $5,000 cheaper. But like yeah,
What
majority
is
of the
the
time,
yeah?
yes, go ahead. No, majority of the time, let's like an example is like Toyota. If you have to buy a new car, brand new, it, uh, it would take at least 4 or 5 months to get your car to the dealership. Uh,
Oh,
so so that's why sometimes people come to Canada and it's winter, so they want a car immediately, but they prefer
okay,
Toyota. So basically,
okay.
the same car, uh, probably driven like 10,000, would cost the same price as the new car.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah.
even
So
in
So
US, same situation.
yeah, really. So you don't get cars for 500, $600.
$500-600, yeah, you will get it, but it would last for probably, considering the weather and all, it would last for only a year or one season, until unless you get a damn good deal. Like you have to scout a lot, like you have to go places.
At
If
least
you
you can
have the
get a good decent car for $1,000.
no, at least 4 or 5 thousand.
Okay, if you want to own a car, you need at least 4,000, not even
Yeah,
2,000 also.
no, kind of. Yeah,
Not
you can
even
get a 2000 car, but it won't be like a Toyota or Honda, like the reliable cars. You won't get. You will get some cars which are like you have to spend all your money to fill the gas, so you won't get the mileage. Like getting a car is easy, but like $2,000. One of my friend got long back. He got it for
okay,
$500, like very cheap, $500 truck. But
okay.
he needs to fill the gas probably $200 every week.
Okay.
Also, another problem here in Canada is like the insurance. You might get it for $500 or $1,000, but the insurance
Okay.
is like you spend 300 to 300 at least for insurance every month. So
Every month?
yeah, yeah.
Why every month? One time you purchase, no?
Here it's it's like 4,000, 5,000, and it is basically divided into 12 months. So you
Okay,
pay.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, you pay in EMI.
Yeah, yeah, every month. Yeah, it's basically
Oh,
calculated every month. So it's deducted every month on some particular day.
got it, got it.
So the
It's
fun
almost
part is like if even though your car value is $2,000, you have to pay probably $500 monthly insurance.
Oh my, then better buy a good car.
Yeah,
yes.
yes,
Oh,
that's
that's where it is tricky. Okay,
yeah.
that's where the trick is. Okay. So I thought that okay, in USA there are many people use. I thought many people use cars, and there might be huge market of second-hand
No,
cars for
like
cheaper
yeah,
price. I thought.
it, yeah, you can get it depending on where you are. But here in Canada or anywhere in like US, it's like especially the colder places, it's not like it's a need here. Like you cannot live without car.
Okay.
Yeah, especially if you have a family and all, you cannot live without a
Yeah.
car. It's a
One more
basic
shocking
need.
that, health insurance, we will pay
Yeah.
almost two, 1,500 to $2,000 for family every month.
And then how much you should get here? Like then you guys have to earn minimum 5,000 to $7,000. You should earn.
That's a
If you
way.
get a salary of if you get then
If you are
salary of
renting,
5,000,
yeah, if you
then only
are
you are
living
able
in
to
a,
survive.
yeah, one thing, like if you are living in any like good place, like the rent would be minimum, depends upon your city. Like for example, if somebody is living in Dallas, depends upon the school district, the rent would be 2,000 to 2,500. Insurance
Mm.
would be the family insurance, 1,500 to 2,000. Your car insurance, everything, almost 5 to 6,000 every month they have to buy. So
It's a
your
survival
salary
only.
should,
I think
yeah,
like most of the people, if they're just working one job, I think it's just like living paycheck to paycheck. You just survive. That's it. You're not saving anything.
if plan to come
Okay.
India, then it's going to be the like 12 month saving. And funny thing is, like the insurance will not cover when you are join in an hospital. Like if you visit a doctor, then it should be fine. Insurance will cover everything. For example, if you have any minor surgery that costs $10,000, so insurance company will not pay anything until your copay is completed. Like for example, like, your copay is $5,000. You have to finish your $5,000. You have to pay your $5,000 on your own account. Then the insurance will start. After that, if it is went to 400K or 500K, insurance company will pay.
Really?
Yeah,
So cashless, there is no meaning of cashless then?
yeah. There is no meaning of cashless. Means like in India, like how if you visit an hospital, like the doctor fees and everything, you have to pay your own. Once you are admit, I think insurance company will pay everything, right?
Right, right, right.
Yeah, but here like everything will pay insurance company. But if you have any surgery, these kind of things, first of all, you if you
You have
admit,
to pay the copay. Okay, you have to pay the copay.
yeah,
Okay. Here also, after our treatment is over, We go to when the bill is given, we pay the copay, and the insurance will rest take care. But they don't ask us to. As soon as we go to hospital,
Yeah,
we
if
can
you are
get admitted.
like
Hmm.
I almost so many years in India, when we admitted hospital, I think they'll take care. If you visit
Yeah.
hospital, then you have to pay everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same thing here. If one person is working in a single job, there is no use to come to here.
Okay.
If
So
you are doing if you are doing
that's why
multiple
people don't
jobs,
get married.
yeah, students will get like if they are in students, I think their insurance would be under $100 itself.
Okay.
The H1B candidates will pay more.
Hmm. So we just created the material groups. Okay. So we then I will just complete this one. Create industry sector also. Go to OMS3. Let's go to the OMS3 /n OMS3 enter. Here it is only one is there mechanical engineering. So we need to go and create the industry, automobile industry. So go click on this. You can take only one character. So you can go say automobile industry. And the field reference means which field has to be optional, which field has to be mandatory is what is field reference. So we go and you select, there are so many options. Actually, we are dealing with the finished product, so we can select FERT, but this has some limitations. What I suggest is go and take 001 or 002. 001 will allow you to have all the fields. So select that and go and save it. Okay, click continue and go back. So we created one industry, mobile industry. So now we finished two steps. So we will stop it here for today and we will continue in tomorrow's class about the material types. Fine, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, then. So we conclude it for now. If anybody have any questions related to this, whatever I did it today, you can ask. If no questions, we will move on to the attendance. Okay, let's move on to the attendance. Today is Tuesday. And Akshay, Akshay Reddy is there. Aravind is there, right?
Yes.
Bharat Reddy is there. Jagan Reddy is there, right?
Yeah.
Pranit, Pranit is there. Sai Kiran,
No.
Sandeep, Sai Kiran is there, no? Today?
No, he's off today. Like yeah,
He did not join.
he
I
didn't
saw
join.
him.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Sai Kiran is absent. Sandeep, if Sandeep is there. And Srinath Reddy,
No.
Vaishnavi,
Yes.
Where is your name, sir? Surya, where is your name?
I think my name is not added because I am not in the when they decided to train. I was not in the list. I joined later.
So just inform Surya, Saujanya to add your name here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So drop a WhatsApp message to her.
Hmm.
And Arvind. Okay. Okay then. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Raj,
Yes.
like I have it,
Yes,
like
Sachin.
in the demo class, you have said to install the SAP GUI. Like I have
Mhm.
installed, but I am getting some errors in that.
Actually, you no need to install right now because Institute is providing you
Yeah,
already installed.
I
Did you
got
get
the
the
credentials from Harmony today. So in the morning, I have tried. I have in the demo section. I
what?
have.
Did you get the IP address?
One second.
Or can you share that information?
Um, she gave me description and some system ID, instant number, service, application service.
Okay. Okay. So got it. So what is the error? Can you show?
Yeah.
Share your screen.
Can I share? Yeah.
If error is not available right now, you can send it later on mobile also.
Yeah, okay, Raj.
Yeah,
One second, I'll show
just share.
you.
Yeah, share it here.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Like you have given me in that demo class FB60, right?
Yeah,
When I type FB60, it's not.
you are able to access SAP.
I can't able to access anything because, like you said that in the system you can check the status, right? See, it's showing like this sometimes, and I have a picture of that. It's showing like
Okay, say
some.
yes. Say yes. Okay. Say okay. Click on okay. It's louder. Okay. Do one thing. Share entire screen. Okay. Double click. Login.
It's
Not
showing like this.
okay. Never mind. Close it. Go to FB60. FB60. Type FB60. Enter. You are not authorized to use this transaction code. Okay. Yeah, go to ME21N. ME21N. Enter. Okay. Type VA41, VA01, VA01. Enter. Okay. So you should ask the whoever gave you the server access, tell them that you don't have any authorization. They did not give you authorization. They should give you all authorization. SAP all. We call it as SAP all. I need SAP all authorization. I'm unable to use it. You mention like that and send it to them.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. It is not problem, it is authorization. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye then. Yeah, bye.